joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Timaya from Beacon. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing today. Hello sir, glad to have you here.
Thank you.
Let's not take your much time. Let's begin with first question. Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Myself, I'm Timaya. I'm with Beacon from past 13 years. And we are known as a SolidWorks #1 resellers in across the Asia Pacific. And we are with engineering solutions for the current Indian market with SolidWorks and Formlabs 3D printers and a huge brand, totally 11 plus products which we supply for our Indian market for the growth.
That's wonderful, sir. So, sir, what products and solution or any hero product you are showcasing at Drone Expo today?
Drone Expo, we are here to provide in a two solution basis. Like one is with the CAD/CAM CAE with our SolidWorks based solutions, and also one with 3D printers that is from Formlabs, which is again well-known product in the drone industry, which we have a SLA and SLS based solutions from Formlabs.
Indeed, a good product, sir. So, sir, in your views, what are your strengths or USB which keeps you unique from others?
See, unique as in like we started from since 2001, we are with SolidWorks and we are the largest SolidWorks resellers, and 90% of our customer base out of 5,500 across India are from SME sector. So we are supplying as a solution providers. Today we have grown like trusted technology solution providers for the Indian market.
That's nice. That's wonderful. What message you would like to convey to your visitors or customers visiting your booth today?
Only one message, that is like we all work for the nation's pride.
Yeah.
That is something which we provide as engineering solutions for our India. So that is something which is a basic thing which we follow, and we provide all our engineering solutions for the Indian market. So Make in India is something which is in our home.
The main message. That's wonderful. So, sir, I hope you had the great experience at Drone Expo 2026 in Bangalore. In
Yes.
September, we are bringing it to New Delhi with same aim and more opportunities. Would you like to participate again?
Yes, of course. Like we are participating with Drone Expo from Hyderabad on starting from Hyderabad. Today we are in Bangalore, and again, yes, we will be participating in future as well.
Thank you so much, sir. Looking forward to see you in New Delhi as well.
Thank you.